Okay, let's go over to Chris Conway from Australian Stocks Report. He's live in our Melbourne studio. Chris, morning to you. Let's, I suppose, understand some levels first off. We've got that eternal struggle to hit 6,000. To you, what's the importance of that?
In all honesty, Carlson, I don't think it's all that important at all. It's just a number. Obviously, we've been talking about a lot. It would be a milestone that, if achieved, we haven't seen since around 2009, if my memory serves me correctly. But the broader theme is really, where is the next leg up for the market going to come from? Whether we get to 6,000 or 6,050, that's probably largely irrelevant. It's whether or not we can punch up to 6,200 and continue to see the gains that we've seen in recent months that's really of importance. And of course, I think the RBA is going to have a lot to do with that. If the RBA cuts again, as everyone still expects that they will, whether it be in April or June, then there's every chance that we get up to that 6,200 level. But in the meantime, I wouldn't be surprised to see us just hover below that 6,000 mark, especially with rising volatility in the US and knowing that the Fed wants to raise interest rates before the end of the year.
Yeah, and it was just interesting mood music, say, from BOQ today on the uncertainty on outlook, but still it looks as if it's going to be just destination du jour, reluctantly so. Even if you are trying to find some fundamental basis for an investment thesis, the market's not exactly screaming buy, is it, on that basis, fundamentally?
No, look, it's absolutely not. I've been on the show previously and talked about valuations being stretched. I think they're at the highest levels again since 2009, which is not a surprise. And again, unless the RBA cuts rates and fuels that yield play, the question is, as you say, where's the growth going to come from? What's going to be the catalyst? There probably isn't a great deal. I mean, we could see some commodity price strength. If some commodity price strength came back into the market, that would obviously help the materials plays, and they would rally alongside, the banks as they've been rallying. But aside from that, the question really begs, where is it going to come from? And aside from the RBA, I don't think too many people out there have an answer.
We're just going to have to put you on pause. Hopefully we'll come back to you, but for now, do accept my apologies on that score.